Joining us now, we have Pedro Lichtinger, CEO and President of Starton. What is your personal connection with CLL?
I have a brother, my older brother, who unfortunately lives with a metastasized prostate cancer. He was diagnosed 7 years ago, and at that time he was told that he has an average life expectancy of 5 years. He is now alive and doing extremely well, fortunately, after 7 years. And my dream is that I am able to bring this technology in time for him to benefit and live many more years if I can. In addition to that, by this close contact that I have with him, I have seen how debilitating the disease and the medicines that we currently use are. We can make the life of patients better. We can reduce that impact and have them not only live longer, but live better lives.
You found this personal situation. You are working towards it, but you're not alone. You have wonderful people working with you every day. Could you tell me a little bit about who are your partners and maybe how you met them, how you recruited, and of course, how you convinced them to join you in this new venture?
Well, first, let me say that I believe very strongly that it is people that work in a company that make a difference. You need to have people that really have the knowledge, the understanding and experience to bring a new medicine to life. I was lucky to be able to attract to the company Dr. Hussein, Mohammed Hussein, who for 11 and a half years was the global lead for multiple myeloma at Celgene. So he was part of the team that brought to life Revlimid in multiple myeloma and other products that came, Polymast and others that came from Celgene into the same segment. The second person that we went and were able to attract is Dr. Asher Shanan Khan. Dr. Shanan Khan is the co-chair of hematological malignancies, which is a nice way of saying blood cancers, at Mayo Clinic. And he was the lead investigator for the trial that described before that Revlimid conducted in CLL. And when he saw our data and heard our story, he asked us to let him actually lead our CLL program. He joined our board and is now enthusiastically leading CLL. And then the third individual that we were able to attract is Dr. Ken Anderson. He was part, again, a lead investigator during the development of Revlimid in several of the trials and has been associated with almost every single advancement in multiple myeloma.
Pedro, I know your company is US-based, your labs, your offices are all US-based. Why are you right now speaking with us from Rio?
Well, you know, when I started my career, one of my first assignments in 1979 was to come to Brazil and help develop the subsidiary of, at that time, Smithline and French. And I basically married a beautiful human being from Brazil. You know, we're still married after now almost 40 years. Unfortunately, her mother is sick, and we haven't been able to come to Brazil to see her because of COVID. And we decided that since both of us are fully vaccinated, that it was time for us to come and spend a week and see her.
Thank you very much, Pedro Lichtinger. Great speaking with you. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you.